Well, we all know what refresher courses are. Many companies, institutions, and corporations, they have an annual refresher course in which things which people already actually know, probably, but they are asked to refresh them into their minds. Ramadan is a refresher course of the ibadah, of the work we put in, of the effort we put in for worship, the effort we put in for taqwa. That is what Ramadan is about. You start with this daily routine of taming the baser instinct inside you, the animal part of perhaps you. They tame that by starving it the whole day. That's one way of taming a wild animal. Bring it down, weaken it down to make it into a more manageable beast. That's one way of looking at it. Another thing is the Quran at night, in the form of the Taraweeh, the citation, and Qiyamul Layl. You're able to revisit the entire message of the Quran at least once in the Ramadan. It refreshes in our minds the teachings of Allah and the Rasul. People finding it hard to get up, say at Fajr for the Salah, now for the sake of food, will get up even an hour earlier. People who are a little slow or lazy in their 5 daily prayers now get into the practice for the sake of huge, like I said, multifold ajr from Allah, reward from Allah. They do it now even with more care. This 30-day practice run, this 30-day refresher course helps us charge our batteries of Iman so we may use them the entire year. That all these activities, all this focus on Ramadan, focus beyond the normal routine, with the help of the absence of shaitan, this becomes a refreshment for our Iman, for our ibadah, for our habits, and hopefully that 30 days is going to last us at least another year before next Ramadan.